Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Airdrie, Alberta. This vibrant city traces its roots to Scottish heritage, named in 1889 after Airdrie, a village near Glasgow, Scotland. The name Airdrie is believed to mean the King's Height in Gaelic, reflecting its origins in the Highlands of North. Founded as a railway siding during the construction of the Calgary and Edmonton Railway, Airdrie began as a small settlement that grew alongside the expanding rail lines. By 1900, it had become a post office serving the area's farming communities, marking its transition from a railway stop to a budding town. Today, Airdrie blends its historical foundations with modern life, offering a glimpse into Alberta's past while thriving as a welcoming community. Its streets and landmarks continue to honor the pioneers and visionaries who shaped its early days. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Airdrie, Alberta. Thanks for watching!